Hello, my name is Kamlan and today we will discuss how to install MySQL on Linux. In our previous video, we configured and installed Oracle Linux on VMware Workstation. Today we will install MySQL 8.33 on Oracle Linux. Right, so let's start. Okay, so some of you guys, if you don't know, then there's a yeah, I mean, um, I use the X manager to, SSH the machine from the outside. I mean, this is the VM. This is the VM, and then if I need to access this from the from outside, I mean from my laptop, then I need to have some utility to access this VM. So I use X manager, and for X manager I use this software. In X manager is Excel, so I use this one, right? So yeah, this one. So I connected this using the SSH command to the virtual machine. So I have the media have with me. I will copy it. This is the X FTP. Within the X manager, there is another utility for transferring files from your laptop into the VM. This one. XFTP, right? So I have this media with me, and I will copy it in the root directory of this virtual machine. Okay, so it is copied. I will now check it. Yeah, it's here. I will unzip the media quickly without wasting any time. All the RPMs, the required RPMs for the commercial are here. If you want to use the free version, then some of the enterprise features will not be available, like the MySQL Enterprise Backup and any other feature that is included in the Enterprise Edition. So I'm using the commercial to for the future purpose, because I will also be demonstrating how to use the MySQL Enterprise backup. So okay, in some of the installation, Linux installation, the MariaDB is pre-installed. So if there's a MariaDB RPM installed, then you need to remove that RPM with this command. Right. Let's see. No, so it's not there, right? So we don't need to use this command, right? Okay, let's install some of its packages. RPM. You can install the RPM, any RPM using the RPM-ivh command with SQL commercial command is installed. Then you need to commercial, I think, libs set. Yeah. So you see, mariadb.lib. Let me try again the MariaDB RPM. Oh, it's not working. Okay, the spelling mistake. Yeah, so you need to remove the MariaDB RPM before installing the MySQL packages, right? So we have installed the MySQL commercial common, then it throws us error with the lib. I'll try it again. Yeah, this one. Client plugin. Okay, so we will use the client commercial client plugin. Okay, let's install. Now we'll go with the libs, and then we'll go with the client. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, then we will go with the commercial libs and compact. Okay, the last one is the most important one, which is the MySQL server. So requires the MySQL commercial ICU data files. This one. Okay, now go with the commercial, the server RPM. It will take a few minutes and then we will continue to start the MySQL server. Okay, so it's installed and I'll show you the configuration file. See, this is the default location for the data dir is this one. So it will all the files of the database will be kept here. Okay, you can change this as well and this as well, right? So this is the log file and this is the data dir. So all the RPMs are installed now, and we just need to start the MySQL database using this command systemctl start MySQL D. We will also open the log file in another tab, mysql.d. Okay, so database is started, ready for connection. Okay, right. Okay, so there is a temporary password is generated for every initial initialization. I mean, so you need to change this password. This is generated for root at localhost, right? So we need to change this password to some other, right? Okay, let's connect to the database. Root -p. We'll enter the password. This one. Okay, yeah, it's connected now. And now we need to alter user root at localhost identified by, let's say, Kamran 123. Okay, so let's try another password. You need to modify the password with the policy requirement. So let's see. Okay, @mrn123. Yeah, here it goes. You need to save this password to some safe location, otherwise it will be very difficult for you to change the root password. I will also show you if you don't remember your root password and you forgot it, then I will show you in some other video how to uh, change the password if you don't remember the password. Right? So yeah, that we will save that for another video. Okay, so the password is changed now. Let's log in with the new password. Okay, mrn123. Yeah, so it's connected now. Show DBs. Show databases. Show DB is for MongoDB. So show databases for MySQL. Okay, we don't have any databases here with us. Okay. And this is the initial installation and configuration for MySQL on Linux platform. I mean, this is enough for this video. We will talk about more with how to create the database, how to create tables, etc. I will show you in another video, right? So that's it from my side for today. See you next time. Take care. Bye.